Continuing on with this series, today we'll be going over how to half double crochet. First thing we need to do is make a slip knot, and then I'm going to chain a row of 15 to give us a foundation so we can start the half double crochet. We're going to be skipping 2 chains here and crocheting in the 3rd chain from the hook, and we'll be working in this hole here. So for the half double crochet, we're going to yarn over our hook, insert it into the chain, then we're going to grab the yarn from behind, pull it through the chain and bring it up. And then we're going to yarn over and we're going to bring that yarn through all 3 loops on our hook. So this is what a half double crochet stitch looks like, and as you can see where we skip those 2 chains, it's the same height as a half double crochet. So once again, yarn over, insert our hook into the chain, grab that yarn from behind, pull it up through the chain, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert our hook, grab the yarn, pull it through and up, yarn over, pull through all 3. Repeat this to the end of the row and I'll meet up with you there. We're at the end of the row and now we're going to chain 2. Then we're going to flip our work over and we're going to continue on with our stitch. We'll yarn over and work in the next stitch here. Insert our hook there, grab the working yarn from behind, pull it through and up, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Feel free to pause this video and work on a few rows. I'm going to make a square and I'll meet back with you. So now I'm at the end of the row here. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the tail. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull it through, make my knot. And all I need to do is weave in the ends. And there's a square of half double crochet. Thanks for watching and I hope this was helpful. Be sure to check out some of my other videos for crochet projects as well as how-tos.